What's going on? I don't usually do videos like this, but I'm a content creator, I'm a musician, and I'm an attorney, so I feel like the Audacity Spyware issue is kind of at the intersection of all this. I used to use Audacity when I first started. My name is ofaLEGEND. You've come to my channel. Again, I don't usually do things like this. I won't make it too long. I'm going to put a description, not in the description, I'm going to put it on the screen and in the description, a little link for you. Audacity is now using spyware because they're they're considered spyware because they're under a new management or under a new company. I would stay away from it. I personally use GarageBand or Logic Studio because I have a Mac, but if you don't have one, my link is going to take you to an older version of Audacity that doesn't use that. Don't update it. Just download that version and stick with it. Subscribe to the channel if you like the way I look. I dropped cells.
You hear that, Texas Dingus? This guy's just not thankful.
I didn't say I'm not thankful. You guys said that
say like,
I got
oh,
us in a bad position and that Legend did
Like,
this, Legend did that.
Don't even worry about it, you know? So
Oh
you
my
do the same
God.
for me. And then Legend is just like, yeah, I don't think you got all the kills. Like, I was like, bro, like, we're not even talking about that. Nobody even mentioned that.
That's exactly how my voice sounds. How did you get it so perfectly?
That's crazy, right? Yeah, I practice. I seriously practice.
I am flattered that you practice my voice.